Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn exactly how to unblock an email on Gmail using your mobile device. If you've ever blocked someone by accident or decided you'd like to start receiving their messages again, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. This is where all your incoming and stored emails are managed. Once you're inside the app, it's time to locate an email from the person you've previously blocked. You can scroll through your inbox, check your spam folder, or use the search bar at the top to type in their name or email address. When you've found an email from that sender, tap to open it so the message fills your screen. At the top right corner of the email, you'll see 3 vertical dots. These dots represent the options menu for that specific email. Tap on them to reveal a list of actions you can take. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Unblock followed by the sender's name. Tap this option. By doing so, you're telling Gmail that you no longer want their emails filtered out or sent to the spam folder. Congratulations! The sender is now unblocked. From this point on, their future emails will appear directly in your inbox, just like any other regular message, unless you choose to block them again later on. It's always a good idea to double-check your inbox after unblocking to ensure you're receiving messages from them. Sometimes it may take a short while for new emails to come through, especially if they haven't sent you anything recently. And that's all there is to it. With these few simple steps, you can easily manage your Gmail contacts and ensure you're getting messages from the people and businesses you care about. This method works perfectly whether you blocked someone in the past by mistake or simply changed your mind about staying in touch. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to apply these steps right now and enjoy a clutter-free and customized email experience.